Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure iOS is current because many split-window apps rely on recent APIs. Once updated, go to the App Store and install a reputable split-screen or dual-window browser app. Install it and grant basic permissions when prompted. While installing, enable picture-in-picture in settings if you plan to watch video on one side. Doing this now saves interruptions later and lets the app run smoothly when you open two web views or app wrappers inside it. Once the app is open, choose the two-pane layout. Apps vary, but look for terms like dual window or split view. Load one web page or supported app wrapper on the left, then the second on the right. You can paste URLs or use the in-app search. Make adjustments by dragging the divider to resize each pane. Many apps support pinch zoom and separate address bars. Also check the app settings for link behavior so tapped links open in the side you prefer, which keeps your workflow consistent. To finish, save any multi-tab configuration or bookmarks the app offers so you can reopen the same split layout quickly. If you need video on one side, enable picture-in-picture within the app or use the System Pi-P to float video above. If something goes wrong, like a pane refusing to load, force close the split-screen app, reopen it, and check that it has network and storage permissions. If that fails, update the app or iOS. This sequence resolves most issues and gets you back to dual-pane use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.